In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to CarPlay on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using CarPlay, you can add custom applications and customize the home screen. You will be able to remove applications that you don't use and add specific ones that might not be available right away. So what you need to do is open the Settings app. Inside of the settings, go into the General category. Once you go inside of General, you should have AirPlay and Continuity available here. So choose AirPlay and Continuity. Now, if you haven't already set up your car, then go through the process now. But if you have connected your car previously, it is going to be available on this list. If it doesn't appear here, I recommend that you retry the connection and you can try potentially restarting your device. But as soon as you see your car from this list, select it. Now, in here, make sure that CarPlay has been enabled, and now go over to Customize Home Screen Icons. So choose this option here. And now you are able to remove, change the order, and add new apps into CarPlay. So if you tap on this red icon next to any app, it is going to remove it. So let's say, for example, you don't want Amazon Music on your CarPlay home screen, you can tap on this button and it is going to be removed. It is going to go all the way down to the bottom here under More Applications. Now, another example. Let's say you want to have the News app available on your home screen. Tap on this green button and it is going to go into the apps that are currently being used. So it is going to be added onto CarPlay. If you tap and hold on these three lines here that you see at the right side of any application, you will be able to control the order. So let's say, for example, you want the target application on the first page as close as possible to the top. So you just tap on this and pull it up, and you will be able to order and rearrange them however you prefer. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.